vote for the NDA or the incumbent have voted away from the MJP, and that's a story in itself. 1% separating, and that's perhaps defined the election.
I keep going back to that. You know, you go back to the exit poll graphics and you see where the exit pollsters got it wrong. It is in predicting both the LJP vote share. LJP, I think they more or less got it. LJP is around 6% eventually. Most of the pollsters saying 7. Where they got it horribly wrong is the others, and these others include, like you said, Owaisi's party, BSP, RLSP, and of course independents and so on. If you add these two in any of the polls, it does not add up to the 30% that you're seeing right now, 30 or 31%. It is that which took away a large number of the seats as far as the Mahagathbandhan is concerned. If you go back and check the Mahagathbandhan's vote share, it's only 34%. So there's 34 and 35, 1% separating the two. Also in the Mahagathbandhan, very quick analysis of what's gone wrong for them. RJD, no doubt about it, he ran a fantastic campaign, 80 seats last time, 75 this time. Tejashwi Yadav is no longer in the shadow of his father. He is his own man. He ran this campaign, he owned this campaign. Yes, he couldn't get his party or the Gathbandhan beyond the line, beyond the finish line. He fell short of it. But what's dragged him down is the Congress party. Down 8, some cushion of support from the left party, so he'll be happy about that. But I think something to think for the young man.
Well, let's just quickly look at the strike rates and then bring in Anurag Thanda from the Result Hub, the live Result Hub that's been getting you these numbers ahead, way ahead of any other network, ladies and gentlemen. 125, 110. The strike rate is a story to tell in itself. Look at the BJP. 67% is their strike rate. Nobody else come closer. So Tejashwi Yadav is at 52%. Commendable without his father. The first time in 30 years, Lalu Yadav is not there in a Bihar election. Commendable, but not enough. And especially when the Congress, his second ally, perhaps should have supported him better. Somewhere around a 40% strike rate for the Congress could have been a different story altogether. And just like it is the JDU that pulled the NDA down, it's the Congress that's pulled the Mahagathbandhan down. Overall, this combined has done better. The JDU somewhere around 43 seats. Perhaps they will take heart from the fact that it's less than a 50% attrition from their 71 seats, and they have been able to counter that or negate that factor of the anti-incumbency. And the BJP also trying to keep this attrition within the party in terms of within the grouping in terms of the overall